Alright, so I'm Ayana. This is Sam, the bestie. And we're going to do the cinnamon
I'm
challenge.
not playing my game.
So I'm going to go first. So
I'm not playing
here
my
I
game.
go.
Business.
Don't do it, don't do it.
Ugh. What did he just?
Eat it.
Good idea, Yana.
Water don't help.
That's all that whole.
Bro?
I said, I hope you know water don't help.
Okay. Alright, there you go. Alright, now it's Sam's turn.
Yeah, look what Yana gave me.
I
Look what Yana
I
gave
don't even
me.
think you really doing it.
did it. Alright, here, Samantha.
Okay.
Wait, you gonna use
I
the
got
same
you.
spoon?
Wait, ready? Get this
No.
in
Oh,
the
that's
shot.
the
No. Oh my god.
Why y'all doing this? This is like so old.
You don't care.
This is
Okay,
like, you might as well
so-
just do an ice bucket challenge.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now Sam's gonna do it. Alright,
Oh, let me, okay,
Alright.
ready?
go,
Ready,
go. Chew it up, chew it. Chew it.
Oh God! Yeah.